In this video, I will teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to Webflow. So the first thing you need to do is go to tagmanager.com, and if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to create an account and then follow the prompts to set up your container. But if you already have an account, all you have to do is to click on this login right here that will show up right here and just log in and open your existing container. Now, once you're inside your container, all you have to do is to look at the Google tags, and you will be able to see two code snippets. The first one goes to the head of your website, and the second one goes right after the opening body tag. You just have to keep this tab open, and you'll need these codes for the next step in Webflow. Now you just have to go to webflow.com website, and then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign in and create your first project. But if you already have a site, you just have to log in and open the project that you want to connect to Google Tag Manager. Now once you're inside Webflow, you just have to click on this specific three dots right here of your project, and then you will be able to see the word settings. You just have to click on that in order for you to open the project settings. Once loaded, you will be able to see on the left side tab right here the custom code. You just have to click on that. You just have to toggle this on in order for you to add custom code to your site, and you can run it preview and commenting modes. Now, after everything, you just have to paste the first code snippet into the head code section and scroll down and paste the second code snippet into the footer code section on your project. Now you just have to click on Save Changes, then publish your site to make the integration live. To make sure everything's working, you just have to go back to Google Tag Manager and click Preview. You just have to enter your website URL and hit Connect. And you should see the Tag Assistant window confirming your container is installed correctly. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.